Vik Sadhu, how to start a conversation that does not feel like an interview. One of the techniques we give in the art of conversation for this is the question statement, the question answer statement model. It's effectively this. I ask a question. So, where did you go to school? I'll tell you this happened literally yesterday. So, I'd fucked up this equation with a guy I met. Okay? I'll tell you very straight up what happened. So, I'm in the middle of negotiating a deal with a publisher for Don't Shut Up, right? So, it's going to end up in all, like, kya kehte hain usse? Like, it's going to be in airports and bookstores and so on, right? We're giving it to a publisher. So I met somebody who works for a publishing house. Dude, and I risked being too Indian straight up. मैं तुम्हें real conversational बता रहा हूँ, real, ठीक है? मैंने सीधा ना, मैं वो हो गया, क्या कहते हैं हम? Indian. कि bro, तू यार, मतलब मैंने बोला तू क्या करता है? He tells me I work for this publishing house. I'm like, bro, I am looking for somebody in a publishing house here because I want the book published in America as well. Right? Straight up. I go for it. Straight up. And he gets a little like, whoa. राइट कि भाई इतनी जल्दी आस कैसे कर ली. अब नहीं है अमेरिकन कल्चर का ये पार्ट. इंडिया में तो हम फेवर ट्रेड करते रहते हैं कि भाई तू मेरा दोस्त, मैं तेरा दोस्त, मैं तेरे को मिलवा दूंगा, तू मेरे को मिलवा दियो. उसके दिमाग में नहीं थी ये बात और मेरे को पता है अब यहाँ से कैरी ऑन करना है. क्या करा मैंने? आई वाज लाइक ओके डोंट वरी, लेट्स टॉक अबाउट समथिंग एल्स. एंड ये मैंने बोला नहीं, बट उस अप्रोच के साथ आई जस्ट स्टार्टेड आस्किंग हिम अदर क्वेश्चन. सो आई आस्क्ड हिम लाइक व्हाट स्कूल डिड यू गो टू? ही इज लाइक आई वेंट टू UCLA. लाइक फन, दैट्स अ पार्टी स्कूल. एंड देन आई वेटेड. सो क्वेश्चन, व्हाट स्कूल डिड यू गो टू? ही गेव मी एन आंसर. आई मेड अनदर स्टेटमेंट and I waited. And then if he does not respond with another question to me back, because abhi wo hook point nahi aaya, I give my answer. I went to Columbia, bro. Columbia is it's a tough nut. It's very progressive for my taste. Yeah. And then I wait again. Hold the tension. And then when he does not ask me a question, because itni tension ke baad bhi question nahi puchha, then I'll ask another question. So one of the ways in which you can be in a conversation without it feeling like an interview is question, they'll give an answer. Wait, make another statement. Wait for them to ask a question. If they don't, then ask another question. So question statement, question answer statement, question answer statement, question answer statement, and throw pauses in the middle, and you're good.